Did someone call for their mom?
No.
No, but I heard it.
I swear that you cannot contain your hunger. That's why I told you not to leave the house. You come with me.
No, I heard it.
No, so many kids are playing outside. Someone might have called for their mom. You might be mistaken. You come. Let's go to Uncle Bandu. We will chit-chat for a while.
What happened, dear? What happened? Did you see a nightmare, dear?
Yes, I saw a dream that you are leaving me and going away. I called you many times too.
No, dear. I will not leave you and go anywhere.
Promise?
I promise, dear. I will not leave my pari and go anywhere, okay? If Grandpa comes today, then it will be an issue. Before he comes, let me take Pari to Oja's house.
Atmosphere is good here. Huh?
Yes.
Come on. Let's leave fast now.
Neha?
Now don't roam here and there like a small kid. Now, let's do one thing. Let's go home. Come.
Hey, don't tell me to do this and that like an old man, okay? What happened?
What will you do now? Listen, but I'm telling you as I'm worried for you, right? Enough of the ambulance, right? Come.
I'm capable of taking care of myself.
Hey! Thank goodness.
What happened?
What happened?
What, thank goodness?
What? Nothing has happened. You just said now that I'm capable of taking care of myself. That's why I said, thank goodness. Can't I say that? Thank goodness.
Where is she taking Pari?
Right now, you said something. What is there to laugh? Will you tell me or not? What is there to laugh?
Yes, I will tell you. What are you talking about, Jagannath Chaudhary? You give me so much earful saying that you are Jagannath Chaudhary. I am the owner of an empire. The whole world knows me. I'm standing here in this tenement and no one is asking for you. You're just hopeless, huh?
Is that why you laugh?
Yes, then what?
You're very mischievous, I'm telling you.
Come on, let's go home.
Listen, you are Yash's grandpa, right? Jagannath Chaudhary? Yash keeps visiting us often. Such a big man has come to our society. We are feeling so proud. Isn't it, Uncle Bandu?
Yes, he's a very big man.
Grandpa, we stay on the first floor itself. Do come if you can. I'm the society secretary, Mrs. Lele. Do come if you can. Listen, a big personality has come. Make tea.
Listen, Bandu Kaka.
Yes.
Will you come to eat with the celebrity?
Come.
Come.
No one will go anywhere. We have to go home. Come on.
You go. I will eat and come slowly.
You come home, Grandpa.
Come, Uncle Bandu.
Okay.
Listen.
Just leave,
Grandpa,
just leave.
listen. Listen to me.
I
Please
will
don't do
just-
anything. Listen, Grandpa, please. Grandpa, you would need to go.
I will just...
If Pari regains consciousness, then everything will get missed.
What do you do after crushing the eggplant?
Yes?
What do you do after crushing the eggplant?
Look, I have cut onion, chili and garlic. We should put that.
Onions have been finely cut or not?
It's medium.
Fine. Medium.
What happened, Reshma? Are you scared that if your eggplant dish is not good, then Grandpa will shout on you?
Yes, sister. Sorry, ma'am.
Call me sister only. Don't take stress like that. Grandpa just looks strict, but he's good at heart. We all respect him, but there is no need to fear him. He just looks strict from the above. But he loves you very much.
But then, why are you hiding it from Grandpa?
Me? What are you saying? Look, you should cut onions like this.
Listen, sister, I saw it. I'm watching this since I came here. You're scared of something.
We shall speak later on that topic. You just don't say anything outside.
I won't. But you will have to teach me all your recipes, okay? And you will also write it down for me? Then only I will do it.
Okay. Aunt,
Do you need any help?
no, everything is done here. It's just that Pari is sleeping inside. Will you go and sit near her?
Okay, I will. Sister, who is Pari?
We need more onion, okay?
Okay.
You would be having 24 hours water, right? We also get 24 hours water sometimes. But water is less 3 days during the week. Still, there is a water tank above. What about us? We fill up 3 to 4 buckets of water. How much will we both need anyway?
2?
3.
Huh?
3. I mean, the 3 people of this house and the other people who come to the house keeps increasing and decreasing. I mean, they
You
keep
come,
coming.
come and sit.
You sit. Sit absolutely
Come.
quiet.
Yes, yes.
Okay? Sit down. Come, sit, Grandpa.
What was I saying?
Uncle Bandu, haven't you taken a vow of silence today?
Silence vow? Shucks.
Why
stop
are you saying
speaking
so?
nonsense.
Today is Wednesday, Grandpa. On Wednesday, Uncle Bandu observes a silent vow. He doesn't speak even a single word. One single word.
Is it? Since when?
Why are you doing this? It seems as if you've forgotten, Uncle Bandu.
I have forgotten.
Yes, he has a silence vow. Oh, my phone is ringing.
Don't touch it. You speak? Being silent doesn't suit you. You speak.
I'm saying that only. And why are you speaking about violence now?
Forget about violence and observe a silence vow. Today is your silence vow. my phone.
Your phone
Ow.
has been seized. Don't touch it. Stand back. You speak.
What was I saying? Why?
No, one moment, Grandpa. Hey, please don't receive it. Oh, no.
Hello? Sameer sir, what is going on with you? Why are you calling repeatedly? I know that a person might need to talk something urgently, but why to make so many calls?
Samir,
Yes.
sit. I said sit down. Is the Purtagar?
Yes.
Okay, speak to her.
Sameer sir!
Yes.
Why did you want to speak?
Shefali, you are having a misunderstanding. I haven't called you.
Did you eat, sir? Today, I brought your favorite dish for lunch.
My favorite dish, which one?
The one which you like so much. You always say that you like that dish made by me. I have brought that same dish in the tiffin. Did you eat?
No. I have not eaten, Shefali.
Why? You have still not eaten?
One moment, huh?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
My.
All right. Is that why you had called me? Yes. I have brought a tiffin for you.
But now, since you did not come to the office, so it will go to the waste.
Also, if you're here, then we have such a nice discussion over lunch. Sir, when are you coming? You would need a report of what all work would have been done over the week, right?
I don't think that I will come to the office today.
Don't need the report today. I will take it tomorrow. And the phone is on the speaker right now. And I'm at Neha's home now, okay?
Why did Sameer sir go to Neha's house all of a sudden? Oh, all right. You are there. Why? No, I mean, do you want to hear about our wedding from Pari again? You are just impossible, sir.
I will call you later, Shefali. Bye.
Yes, I am waiting for you, okay? Okay, bye. How come here? I will tell you then. Sameer sir, it's impossible.
You could have let us speak, right?
Let's not speak about official matter here, please.
All right. Your wedding is official now.
No.
She said it.
She keeps saying anything. That Shefali was joking. She was joking.
Is it? She was joking, but you didn't laugh. Your face has gone pale, right?
Yes.
And tell me something. Is Pari fixing both of your marriages?
Listen, it's not like that.
No, it's good only. Pari is also amazing. Now I will have to meet Pari no matter what. And I also will have to meet that girl who's wearing a kurta.
This Shefali is impossible. Why does she have to speak such unwanted things?
Neha, is everything ready?
Yes, it's done.
It's done right.
What is this?
This was given by your in-laws. Grandpa has come to our house for the first time. He brought such an expensive sari while coming. Shall we not give him something? It doesn't look good if we got in front of him empty-handed. So I brought it.
How much does this cost?
What do you mean?
Then?
I didn't buy it. It's free.
What are you saying, sister?
I brought it from Uncle Bandu's house. He has so many of these. I brought one among them. Don't worry, I asked him and then brought it.
But still, does it look good, sister? You could have told me. I would have brought something of his choice.
Is this the time to look for his likes and dislikes? He came suddenly. Can we go out to bring something for him then? And anyway, we should give the other person something that we like. I just know that. No one will tell you anything. But since I'm here, so how can I send him empty-handed from here? You're a grandpa. What if your in-laws ask then in the future? What will I answer? I'll have to take an earful from your in-laws for no reason. Yes, and I won't tolerate the taunts of rich people. That's why I'm saying it. We should give that what we can. We shouldn't wait. What are you doing? You are serving so much. Is there anything left us?
Sister, first let them eat. Then we will see about us later.
You are right. Give them. Give it to your in-laws. I'm family anyway. I mean, it's fine. Listen to me. Shall I taste it once quickly? I mean, should we not check the salt and all? Will you give them like that? I will check.
Hello, Yash.
Hello, Neha.
Yash, what is going on here? Grandpa is here. How much more shall I lie? He considers me dear to him. He likes me so much. He trusts me so much. And what I am doing here, Yash?
Neha, look, you... Don't cry, please.
Yash, I'm telling you the truth. I don't agree to this. I don't like all this. We speak one lie to hide another one and then another one. The confusion only increases due to the same and nothing else. I tell Pari not to lie at all. Truth is very powerful. She should speak the truth. It takes courage to speak the truth. But what I'm doing, Yash? I'm lying here.
Neha, tell me if you're doing all this on purpose.
No, but still, Yash.
We shall speak all the truth to Grandpa. And we were even ready to tell him the truth. You know that. I was willing to do that. At this point of time, his health is very fragile. We cannot take the risk of telling him all this right now. You please don't feel stressed due to all this. I understand that, Neha, at this time you're very stressed about all this, but look, Aunt Simi will reach there right now. Once she comes there, then she'll handle everything and take Grandpa home. You don't worry about it, and we should tell Grandpa about all this. Don't cry, Neha. Bye.
Neha, I hope no one heard that.
Uncle, Grandpa.
Wow, 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 wow. What a nice smell coming out from this.
You're hungry, right? You came here in so much hurry and that too without caring for your health. So now eat till you are satisfied, Grandpa.
Today I won't eat to fill my tummy, but to my heart's content, I will remember every morsel of food.
All right, eat as much as you want.
Reshma, come, I will serve you inside.
Wow, what a dish.
Did you like it, Grandpa?
What do you mean?
Our Neha is very talented
I'm
cook.
aware of that. When I was taking my medicines that time, and she used to make bland food, I used to still find it tasty. Today, when it is tasteless, I came here suddenly.
If Pari wakes up, then everything will be messed up.
You both also sit with us.
No, Grandpa, we will sit later. It will be a bit problem.
What issue? The hall is so big, we all sit together. Your sister-in-law's grandfather say you should listen.
Grandpa, it's not like that. The eggplant dish has finished, so...
No, it's not like that, Grandpa. We will really sit later.
Yeah. You're not paying attention towards her.
Do you need something, Grandpa?
Hey, I just got up from bed. I just started feeling better. And this Sameer has been nagging me since morning in the name of health. Hey, why have you served me so much? The dish is very good. It's very tasty, spicy and all that. But I cannot eat it. Do one thing, reduce it.
Grandpa, it's little.
What little? This is too much. I really can't eat it. It's too much. Go.
Grandpa,
I'm saying it for the sake of my health. In the future, he will shout at me to eat less. Go and get the plate.
Grandpa, you are right. Your health may get affected tomorrow due to eating that dish, right?
Come, give it.
I will take it.
No, I'll give it. Yes,
Grandpa, you reduced it so much.
this is too much. How will it work if the house pipe remains high?
Since yesterday, I'm also feeling a bit gastric. I cannot also eat this much eggplant dish. I will also take out a little.
Hey, this is very less.
The thing is that my chest is feeling a bit burning sensation, so I will remove a bit. One moment, give me. I will remove it. Enough. Now I will eat this much.
Shall we? No, I mean now. I am unable to control my tongue. Shall I?
Yes, of course.
My goodness. It's very tasty.
Oh my goodness, Papa. Oh my goodness. You are here. I would have died due to your concern. Can't you see it? You left the palace without telling us anything. You're not worried about us, right? What will happen to us after you leave and what we all will feel? Do you know who all we called up? And my Pikachu, my baby. He asked me so many questions if Grandpa is not at home. He's fighting with me. But no, you are not at all worried about us. Why are you behaving like this, Papa?
Aunt, it's fine. It's fine. We found Grandpa right now. Now calm down.
Just see how much tension he gave us. Tension. Outsiders won't understand it. But look what has happened to me. Papa, you are really not worried about us at all. But no matter what you say, if something happens to you, then we will only be there to take care of you. We will only be there to look after you. Neha, you should have at least called us, right? That Papa is with you here. I was worried to no end. That where will Papa be? What will he doing? It's time to give his medicine. Did he take medicine? Would he have eaten anything? I would have broken down worrying for him.
I am capable of taking care of myself.
No, Papa, that's the issue. The whole last week you were inhaling through an oxygen cylinder. Did you forget that? I came from Kandala till here thinking what would I have done if something had happened to you.
No, stop it.
They are talking so loudly outside. If Pari wakes up due to this sound, then it'll be a mess.